Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Privacy.com to create virtual card numbers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.privacy.com. Once the website loads, locate the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner. Click the Sign Up button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you have access to. Next, create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password meets the security requirements listed. After typing in your password, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Privacy.com. Open the email and click on the confirmation link inside. This action will redirect you back to the Privacy.com. You may now need to enter your additional information, such as your name and address. Fill in all required fields accurately. Next, you might be asked to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the identity verification process. Once verified, log into your new Privacy.com account with your email and password. Upon logging in, navigate to the dashboard where you will see options to create virtual cards. Click on the Create a Virtual Card button. You will be given options for funding your card, typically using a linked bank account. Choose your preferred funding method and follow the prompts to link your bank account. Set your desired spending limits for the card. Once everything is set up, click on Create Card to generate your virtual card number. Your virtual card number will now be displayed on the screen. You can use this number for online transactions while keeping your real card details secure. To manage your virtual cards, simply return to the dashboard whenever needed. Remember to log out of your account after completing your tasks for security purposes. Now you are ready to use your Privacy.com virtual cards for safe online shopping. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.